Hello students, today we have to move for the next continuation part in the lesson carbon and its compounds. Last class, previous class, many of you getting confusion how to draw the electron dot structure of the alkanes group of hydrocarbon. Till to butane I explained. One more I'll explain you. Keep in mind. Then till to at least for a heptane you have to write in your classwork and keep practice. This is the pentane. Pentane is a fifth hydrocarbon in the alkene group. General formula of alkene group we know that is the CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2. So pentane means, I told you already, penta, that is means the carbon atom is 5, hexane carbon atom 6. Don't get confusion. Many of you are making a confusions while writing the electron dot structure. So carbon atom, enter the carbon atom C5 and H 2 into 5 plus 2. So it will become C5 H 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 2 12. So this is the molecular formula of pentane. Molecular formula. So let's write the structural formula now. Structural formula of pentane. Structural formula. It is very easy, don't get confusion. Okay, so first you have to write the carbon atom 5, C5 in the middle line. Okay, then around the carbon atom there will be always must be 4 lines, because carbon has a 4 valency electron. So here already one is there, remaining 3, and here one is there, remaining 3, and here already one is there, remaining 3, here one is there, remaining 3. Around this carbon atom there will be the 4 lines, must and should it is, because carbon having a 4 valency electron. And if we write the H or not, it is understood. If we are writing the structure formula like that only, it's enough actually. So but to look to give a good appearance, we have to write the H. That is understood. If you are, whether you are writing or not, there will be the H, common it is. Okay, but it gives a good appearance. So that's why we want to write the H. So you can count now. C5 1 2 3 4 5, carbon atom 5, and H 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and this side 12. So H is 12. Structural formula of the pentane is correct. So let us write the electron dot structure. Electron dot structure. So don't make confusions to write the electron dot structure. It is also where the carbon atom is there, you should write carbon atom 1 2 3 4 and 5. These are the carbon atom, and where the hydrogen atoms are there, in that place you should write hydrogen atom. Except one bond, you should write hydrogen atom. Here also one is there, here also one is there. That's all. Okay, so here I told, don't get confusion. One carbon electrons should be marked with a star, and the hydrogen will be dot. Okay, in the same way you should also mark star dot. Okay, star dot, like that. One bond, in the sense one star and one dot, that forms a one bond. Okay, star dot, star dot, star dot, star dot, star dot, star dot. Carbon electrons are star and hydrogen electrons are dot. Okay, here also star dot, star dot. And here we can see the only the carbon electrons, because carbon forming a bond. So that's why 2 star. However, we can write here like that or like that, both are same. Okay, 2 stars, because 2 lines, 2 stars, only the carbon electrons are there, no? So first you have to round up for the hydrogen. Hydrogen is pairing with the one carbon electron and one hydrogen electron, and you mean one star and one dot. First you have to round up completely, including a star and a dot. The round up is also very important, because hydrogen is paired with a one star and one dot. So that's why I told you again and again you the roundup is very important. Here only many of you making confusion, but keep practicing, everything is very easy. So again you have to start to practice with first hydrocarbon, that is a methane, that is easy. Okay, so like that, clear. So now you have to mark with the carbon atom. Here many of you are making a mistake here. Carbon is pairing with the hydrogen electron, that's why we want to take the carbon electron as well as hydrogen electrons to make a circle with carbon around this, like that it is making. And here, so it's two electrons of the carbon is also joined here, and this carbon is joined with these two electrons of this. Okay, to the bond these two electrons want to join, here there will be the bond. Okay, here two electrons want to come, keep in mind, carbon is joined with two electrons of carbon as well as the hydrogen. Here also we want to take 2. Again this carbon is joined with these two and making a bond. This is very important. If you are making a mistake in this sector, you will never get a mark. Like that. Okay, like that you can draw the electron dot structure. See, inside this circle, so there will be the two electrons want to come, otherwise it will be wrong. Okay, you have to keep on practice that, that's very important. This is the pentane. Okay, then in the same way you have to go for the hexane up to heptane. Heptane is enough. Next, now we have to know about the alkene group of hydrocarbons. Alkenes group of hydrocarbons. The general formula of alkene group of hydrocarbon is CnH2n. You have to write the general formula of alkane and alkyne. Then it is easy for you actually to guess or to write the molecular formula of the given hydrocarbon. So that is CnH2n. In a alkane group of hydrocarbon, first hydrocarbon starts with the methane, carbon atom 1. But in the alkene and the alkyne group of hydrocarbon, the first hydrocarbon starts with ethene. Okay, there ethane we are pronouncing as methane, ethane, pentane, like that. It is ends with ene, that's why we want to pronounce as ene only, that is ethene. How to pronounce this? That is ethene. So ethene in the sense carbon atom 2 we know already, because methane carbon atom 1, ethene carbon atom 2. Okay, so let us substitute this carbon atom for the general formula. C2H2 into 2, that is C2H4 is the molecular formula of ethene. C2H4 is the molecular formula. Keep in mind C2H4. Okay, let us write the structural formula. I told you already alkenes. What are alkenes? The hydrocarbon, which hydrocarbon having a carbon-carbon's double bond. Okay, any one where, I mean any in one place, in any one place it is having a carbon-carbon double bond. That kind of hydrocarbons are called as the alkene group of hydrocarbon. If the carbon-carbon single bond is there, those are called as the alkanes. Carbon-carbon double bond is there, that is called as the alkene group of hydrocarbons. Okay, so here carbon atom 2 are there, you should write carbon atom 2. Okay, then hydrogen atom is also 2 are there, so then you should write the hydrogen atom 2. So I told you already, so between the carbon there will be the double bond in one place. Here only one place, two hydrocarbons, two carbon atoms are there, so that's why we have to put two lines here, I mean two bonds. Okay, so already two lines are there, remaining I told you around the carbon atom must and should it be the four bonds, that means 2 already is there. So and this is a Okay, for 2 already is there, next one we have to take that. So this is, or like that we can take, or for the easy or for a good look I am taking like that. 1 2 3 4, 1 1 2 3 4, around this carbon atom 4 bonds are there, and around this carbon atom 4 bonds are there. This bond represent carbon is having a 4 valency electron. This is a H and this is a H. Okay, or else we can write as usual, that is also common. Okay, already 2 are there, remaining 2, and here already 2 is there, remaining 2. So then we can write here like that, H H, like that also we can write, which is easy, that thing you can take. Okay, not compulsory we want to write like that only, there is no compulsory, nothing at all, we can write like that also. Okay, so this is the structural formula. So you have to, in a classwork you have to write these structural formula of alkane, alkene and alkyne, molecular formula, structural formula and the electron dot structure first. Later you have to start with questions, and then it is easy for you to get to know. Next we have to write the electron dot structure, electron dot structure, electron dot structure. This is the structural formula. I told you already how there is a structure formula. There you should write the carbon, here 2 carbon and here H 2 hydrogens. Okay, so like that only you should write. And here double bonds are there, double bond in the sense carbon having a 4 valency electron. This end is 1 and this end is 1, this end is 1, this end is 1. Okay, the bond represent, if you draw a line, it's joined with the 2 electron, that's all. Okay, and this carbon electron star and dot, this is carbon electron star and dot. Okay, next is carbon electron star and dot hydrogen electron, carbon electron star and dot hydrogen electron. First you have to circle around the 1 dot and 1 circle, sorry 1 star, because hydrogen is paired with the 1 on carbon star electron. Okay, now carbon is going to pair for that. Okay, that means carbon is paired with the 2 electrons of hydrogen as well as the 4 electrons of carbon, like that. And this carbon has also paired with the all these 4 electrons, like that. Hope you will understand which are the bonds, I mean electrons are there, that should be comes in the middle of the circle. That thing you have to keep in your mind. If there is a double bond, 4 electrons wants to come. If there is a single bond, 2 electrons. Okay, so a carbon is paired with the 2 electrons of another carbon atom and 1 on electrons of hydrogen atom. Okay, so this is the electron dot structure of ethene. Let us draw next one, that is the ethene. Methane, ethene, monkey eat, peeled in the sense propane. Let us take propene. Propene is very important. If you are taken a propane, that is the alkane, keep in mind, because alkane ends with ane, that's why those names also should be pronounced as alkane, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, like that. And this is the alkenes. Alkenes should be pronounced as what? Ethene, propene, then butene. Next is pentene, hexene, heptene, like that, and octene, like that. You have to keep in mind how we are pronouncing the main hydrocarbon in the same way. And general formula is CnH2n. Okay, propene, carbon atom of the propene is 3. So let us substitute for the general formula, C3H 2 into 3. General formula is very important. If you don't know the general formula, you can't able to write the molecular formula as well as the structural formula as well as the electron dot structure. Compulsory for 3 mark it should be there. So best you have to know the general formula. And this group of hydrocarbon, I mean methane carbon atom 1, then ethane carbon atom 2, okay, propane carbon atom 3, then butane, carbon atom 4, pentane, carbon atom 5. That thing you have to get to know. That make you very easily. Okay, C3H6. Let's write the structural formula of this. Structural, students, you have to write in the first page of this lesson. These are all. Okay, let's write the structural formula. So how many carbon atoms are there here? 3 carbon atoms. Write 3 carbon atoms, and in one place, I told you, in one place we want to put the double bond. That shows they are the alkene group of hydrocarbon. So let's put a double bond in one place. Remaining will be single bond as usual. In one place only want to put the double bond, not in all the places. Keep in mind. Why we don't want to put in all the places? If you put here also, so here it represent already 2, then here 2, 4, and here already 4 are there, not necessary here, but only we require the 4 hydrogen atom, not 6. Okay, so that's why we want to put the once in one place only the double bond we want to put. Understood? If you put here, it's already 2 are there, remaining 2 here, and it is already around this 4 are there, not required to put another bond, and here 2. So hydrogen will become only the 4, not a 6. Okay, keep in mind why it should be everything. Okay, so this is only a single bond, and here it is a double bond. Here there will be the single bond and remaining 3. 1 is there already, remaining 2. Around this carbon atom 4, 1 2 3 4, and here 1 2 already is there, 3 is there, only 1 it required. Okay, and here around this carbon atom 2 are there, remaining 2. Enough it is. Clear? Okay, next we have to write the hydrogen. H. Around the carbon atom there should be the, where there is a bond, there only we want to write the hydrogen atom, not everywhere. Here there no bond, so not required to write the hydrogen. Okay, that is. And one more thing you have to concentrate, around the carbon atom the bond should be 4. That means the carbon is sharing the 4 valency electron. Okay, you can count now. 1 2 3 carbon atoms, 1 2 3 4 5 6 hydrogen atom. That's correct. Okay, structural formula. Let's write the electron dot structure now. Electron dot structure of propene. So this is the, where should be, how you wrote the structural formula, no? So like that only you have to write, except the bond, write hydrogen and a carbon. So that should be except bond it is. Okay, except bond it is. Keep in mind that. Next it should be carbon is paired with the 1 star electron 1 dot, 1 star electron 1 dot, 1 star electron 1 dot, and here there will be the single bond only, therefore 2 star electron. Here there will be the double bond, therefore 4 star electron. If the double bond is there, 4 star electron. If single bond is there, 2 star electron. Here 1 star electron 1 dot, 1 star electron 1 dot, 1 star electron 1 dot. First you have to circle around the hydrogen. This is hydrogen is paired with the 1 carbon electron and 1 its dot electron, like that. Okay, so the hydrogen has completed. Let us circle around the carbon. So carbon is also paired with the hydrogen, 3 hydrogen and 1 carbon electron here, right? Okay, and this carbon is paired with the only the 1 hydrogen and 2, here 2 carbon electrons and here 4 carbon electrons, like that. Okay, and this carbon is paired with the 2 hydrogen electrons and 4 carbon electron, like that. Okay, so this is the structural formula of what? Propene. Keep in mind. Okay, instead of this, if we are not writing the hydrogen here, we can write like that, or we can write down instead of up, however we can write, but the structure formula is very important. Okay, hope you will understand this, and circling around this is also important. Thank you.